So people, we are going to skip the intro today, you know what I mean, because maybe some nights I go in at the background, but you don't know watch that, you see it when me talk, because me I go keep what me I say short, you know what I mean, so we could get in it. So let me just go down a slight rundown, you know what I mean. Rosealee tell Triple about a blowout FIGHT where she have with GX, you know what I mean, Ivany and Tiki at it because of the whole money situation with Ivany. If you send and Tiki free the Ivany, so you want to fly to Atlanta for the money, you know what I mean. We have also TikTok liar talk about the situation with Tiki and Ivany.
Run out! Me say Vani run out and let go the zoop on my face. Me I tell you a beer me I hear. And me I tell you about Fashion Daisy. Fashion Daisy, big up yourself, remember to. Yeah man. Fashion design man. One fashion design pan the app no man talk truth no man. I love and blessing, you know. And you now go left out ting. Now go left up Thompson, ting. Queen 909. Come on man, all of you come together and push, you know. Guys, on a big up fashion design for me, no, please and thank you. You understand me? I say big up Vani. You don't know Vani. Fashion design, big up yourself. Big up all of my queen and Queen 909. Big up yourself. I mean, I tell you, say all I gifters them never run out yesterday. As some of them come in. So you can't imagine, you see blessing. Nothing can top God blessing. You see when Father God bless you, I say, oh God bless, no man curse. You understand me? I say no matter where a person say, no matter how they try to put you down, another person go say the good in you. I know say you mean good to yourself. So guys, me I beg you to big up Vani for me now, please and thank you. Me I go make a video, nobody not stop me. When me done laba my mouth and big up Vani tomorrow and big up all of me gifters them. Jesus Christ. Oh ratted. You know say then tell me if you do something, me I go take it down. Then me I go take it down. Me I go take down sitting off on my page. You should. Yeah, I am going to do it. As a man, me get up morning light me I tell the queen. I have to make that video. It's on my mind. I'm not going to count till I and them. I go take it down off of my page now because I take it down, man. But anyway, guys, another to one talk about. Guys, tap up the screen and share the live now, please and thank you. One day I'm going to talk about a little something. My God, I don't mind if Cards there. Cards, you there? Yes, you know it's a mix up because we're talking about for your look your for your panty they on fire, for your baggy they on fire or brief. It come like for your brief or underpants or for your baggy they on fire they on what you say about do now. You can't wait. You just have force you out of my mouth so. To you little bit of mix up. I couldn't even wait. No, true me attack for him baggy the on fire. Say one here, I'm here. Alright, cuz. Alright, Anna, you there here too? You there, Anna? Moderator, don't forget for black people because when we attack, we don't need nothing negative in the comment. Alright, Anna. Alright, guys. So, we didn't talk about the situation with Duke, right? And when we come out here, you win. We are going to the final round for the food. Alright? Guys, let me focus on what I say. So, with my moderator, I tell you this. Anything happen between me and my moderator, them I don't come out here and talk it. Because my moderator, them have a group. Sometimes I never they in the group and them run the group. But my moderator, them talk to me and say to me, say, anything will happen in the group, don't come out here, come talk it on the media. To be honest, you see the respect when my moderator, them show me, I know them protect me, I don't do it. You understand? Nobody can talk, say, me, Annie, come out here and say nothing about no moderator, talk about Duke. Me keep it. You understand what I say? So let me tell you, me could have come out here come say something about Duke, but my wallet. Me end up Lego Duke off of the moderator system. I take what the moderator from Duke for a reason. You understand what I say? Because you are my system. Right? And if I don't trust you, or if I my spirit I tell me something about you, me I go with my spirit. A whole heap of time my spirit tell me things and me not go with it and it shake me up, you know. No, me not joke, guys. A whole heap of time my spirit tell me say don't trust a person there. Me still force myself and go trust a person and next me get shake. Me I talk, yeah man, we are talk about Jaga. Jaga got your bed no my youth and move from here so. Right? A whole heap of time, guys, my spirit tell me say don't go around certain things. I'm a force my spirit. It's when it happened to me I said to myself, say if me did know, me listen to me spirit. You know, black this, black that something here. Right? Now me I go tell you now what the reason why. My Lego Duke off of the moderator system, and I want to know guys be fear. In the comment section, I want to know be fear. My Lego Duke off of the moderator system because Duke is a big shooter for Damien. Duke and Damien are big friend. Them work together. You understand me? Thank you, baby. Big up yourself, Jabas. Right? No, you are my moderator. Duke is Damien shooter. You understand me I say? Damien send him money to Duke and Duke shoot him. Shoot him. You understand me I say? Duke and Damien come from the same country. Right? Not only that, Duke depend on my moderator system. Duke know more about the system more than me. Right? Duke know about the system more than even me. Certain things I go down with my platform some of the time, I not lie to you. It's like a sabotage type of thing me I go through. I keep on wonder, I do it. You understand me? I not have a problem with a man a shoot for another person, you know. But you as my moderator, I never see you come and shoot for me. Right? Moderator, black that person for me now. You as my moderator, I never see you come and try shoot. Yeah. I never see you try to even push me up in a certain way you try. You go against me. Right? You go against me and you go over the other person page and go shoot against me. Me no business if nobody wants to say a bad mind. But
alright my people, so let me know what you think. As I say, I don't talk too much because something wrong with my microphone I use. So I just go do this quick and fast.
How could you be my moderator and you are going to live from my platform and go shoot for somebody else against me? Right? So I started to look on that and I say, yo, you know, say that thing and I look, God no, I keep on find it scratchy. Right? More while me did it, and I think say Duke did it with me. Duke the over somebody page a shooting a ghost. Or if you be my moderator and you're shooting a ghost against me. You understand what I say? I'm continue to look on it and I say, no, you know, say God, no, my spirit not take him. I'm just let go do. I not come out here, I not tell nobody. I not say nothing to nobody. It just feel a way to me when I just feel like say Duke is not with me 100% as way I pretend to be. No matter him cute face, no matter him accent, cause me can twang to, you know, me can twang, you know what I'm saying, you know? Yeah, I got this. You get me? Me can twang too. Me can go and look a bit at the look of EBGB. Right? No man Duke now go fool me with him accents, man. Accents are accents. Yeah, one out of them two someday. Right? So I make a decision to let go Duke. Right? Me never come out and come tell nobody. Me never come out and come say nothing to nobody. Duke is a person like this, he's a technology type of person. Him know computers, him know internet, he know certain things on the app when no for we don't know. Right? So at the end of the day, I tell myself that okay, I rather separate myself from that and we don't have no hard feelings. No, Duke take himself to rotted and gone over Tiki to blurt not. I don't know say Tiki ate me like a dose of pies because I sit down in a Tiki face now. Right? I don't know say Tiki ate me. And Duke gone over there go talk about oh me ungrateful. You understand what I say? I see the text them in the comments. I be a disrespectful text towards me, oh me ungrateful. What do for me? What do for me? So I'm gonna talk about me ungrateful. Right? If you have something to say to me, Duke have my number, him can't say it to me. But him run gone over Tiki live. I gonna talk about me ungrateful. On blood that person, somebody you look like me didn't walk a look like. Me they tell you say me I walk a look like drunk. Me no cuss the whole day, so nobody come thinking a night me I go and cuss you. Cause me didn't tell you say me I walk a look like. Yeah, me didn't walk a look like me love, me sorry. So if you feel say me I walk a look like or pick up like or pick like off a tree, you're wrong. Me sure me not look that. Me not sleep, I'm not an early sleeper, me not no man. Me not have no man me love. Right now my isla ride me. My isla bad. Anyway, as what me say, me not have, look here, me not keep up people and me not have up people. But if me feel like my spirit now take you, and me decide me want to drop you off of my moderator system, me not, look here, and my decision. You get what me I say? And me make that decision said I don't want you around me anymore, and it is for a reason. I love my people, them will support me. I love my moderator, them. And when them not shoot for me, I love you know. But at the end of the day, I not trust Duke. I don't trust Duke, and that's the only thing I have to say. So when Duke the over Tiki live I come talk about me ungrateful one time, them I ask him over there if him and a moderator. Tap come tell me about decision with this year, you know. Tap correct me like me and you at school and me a copy out of your book now. Good night, baby. Sure. Anyway, go back to it again. So guys, as I said, my leg go do for a reason. You understand what I say? And if I don't trust a person, nobody can force me. You work with Damien, go work with Damien and do your office. With Damien and do your office. With Damien and do your office do. Go on page and do what you have to do for me. What you done for me, that's you going to say me ungrateful. I just not trust you. I just decide I want to walk away from you. And it have to be no excitement. You understand what I say? At the end of the day, you're going to end up, a whole heap of time I say, do come some whoops and shoot against me. Me and the man there say me I play a game, you know. I'm in the pan, moderator. Or pin the comment back again. Moderator, when I take a start, do it over somebody else live. I shoot down the place against me in a ghost. You understand me? Your moderator go want you to win and want to push you up, bro. Because your moderator them come to support you. You understand what I say? I don't expect my moderator to fight against me. And a whole heap of things go down for my system. I'm take a stack of Duke or something to do with it. I don't ask Christ. You can't ask all my other moderator them. So I tell myself say me I take a good night, baby. I tell myself say add. I tell myself say me I take a well I know who this. I would that person will not tell me for add.
Big old and in come off alive, man, bitch. Suck cock, yeah.
Suck your mother cockroach, man. Tiki blood clot money like a Tiki account. A Tiki they go down a Wells Fargo and give information and open account. A Tiki account and a Femi account. A Tiki own the account. So it's all about Tiki like and a Femi blood clot money. I tell me about Tiki for. So my tongue twisting it. So I try for holding my tongue twist and go and bad do. And I'm not sorry neither. Tiki only talk about him money. I'm not sorry neither. No look of sympathy, no look of no. Not about you neither. Cause today me I talk to you, not about you. All you think about is your cash. From your face expression to your voice, to your tone, to your talking. All you worry about are your money. You don't worry about nothing else. You never ask me, Ivany, you get the rest of your money. And you hear my business say my money in it to all know me hear Ivany, your money alright, you get fair share. It's all about blood clot, you know, look a bit ungrateful. But then for the money you come out of my hand tomorrow so I can black and delete you. And you can go turn on your live and class, you don't have no secret for me. I never beg you no yet. And you can't get my answer or no. I'm not on the same level for answer. You could have turned on your live, you could have 40 days and 40 nights, I pussy myself. One of the top star roses, I pussy myself. So when you over here, cost me over to a cell front. Make sure tell you the phone to start, because I cannot tame. You tell me about Gypsy Girl and buy a ticket. That's what I have a blood clot do with me if Gypsy Girl and buy a ticket. That have to know with me. Text me. Reach out here and see if you know. Send me to my fake page. I'm going black on my page.
As I say, people, I don't talk long because of the noise, you know what I mean? But Ivany have a reputation, and the people them feel like say, she take the money and I run a trick on the youth, and that's why all of this you see me? So you can't feel no type of way when you have a certain type of stigma against you, which way a lot of the things them are you cause it because of your doings, you know what I mean? So people are going to have that type of reservation there when it comes to certain things with you. You know what I mean? So you have to just accept that I know so you are certain. Whether it happen for real or not, people are going to feel like you try to style them. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think, my people. We're going to watch some more.
I'm here, but turn around and get the this. Me turn around and get the this. You only care about yourself, bro. You only care about yourself, and you call me and tell me about who I go buy. Me I care who I buy a ticket, bro. I know people from somewhere. On social media, I know people from there. I don't know people in real life. You tell me about who. Me care about who I buy a ticket. Me care. Me just want to know when me drop off ice at daycare, me head up at the nearest. Hello, a FedEx go or post office? A FedEx go or a post office go? This I get out of hand now. Hold on, let me show. Me not really follow up people, you know. And them over there, I tell you, say me go take your money. And them over there, I tell you, say me go take your money in a money's order. You come and say, tell me about money's order. Why me have your money and still a tamper with your blood clot money? Your money have to leave out of my premises. Why? Yeah, when me I go down there morning, why me get your money now and still feel all and pay your money days and days? Be real with me people. The money takes so long to come and them set me teeth it. Now the money come, why am I supposed to tamper with the money days and days till I go book ticket for come for your money? Your money have to leave out of my premises now. Because they say me the teeth it and now the money come, what them I say again? Oh, them say me out, me I act like me send it through mail now. Yeah, go like say 10,000 US you have. Yeah, go like a 10,000. Listen what I tell me, I see if this makes sense.
Well, you know, those things are the money I come Atlanta for the money myself. Yes, I come Atlanta. Yes, you know, I'm a moderator on your gypsy girl. Well, one day, I want one night I'll come Atlanta for the money. Ivany, we do not want the money order because at the end of the day, if your money order done to the people that work on the FedEx bus or who are delivered, your opinion will change out the check. And that's easily if you steal, anyone can take it out of the mail if my name down at the body and change it over. You can Walmart it and you can Western on it. And if you do not want to do that, bestie, we come Atlanta go pick it up for you in cash. I do not have any problem with your fly and we come Atlanta go pick it up for you in cash. If you don't want to meet nobody again,
But that is a black that girl left from.
we don't have a problem because probably you're not a people person or you're scared or anything. We go meet me, we come meet your feet.
When you going to tell me about him not scared, Mama ask you something. Be real, Mama ask you something. Alright. If I did Tiki off Wells Fargo and the bank locked down fee money in it, you think Tiki can tell the blood clot bank say want him money in a Western Union? You think Tiki can tell the bank say send him money through Zelle, Cash App, and PayPal? The banker send the money, got the address where him have pan file for him in bank account. Him not have no choice. The banker send the money in a cashier check. And if the bank send the money in a cashier check, you know, have to wait for the cashier check for reach. So Mama ask you something. If the bank need to send off your money, would you depend life or would you be thinking to the bank I go send the money and somebody in the mail I go thief it? Would you be thinking, say, when the bank send off the money, somebody in the mail I go thief it, you never go think that because the bank send it off. But Vani will fucking help you. You have all sort of thinking. All of a sudden now you have all sort of thinking, say money I go last. So now I want piece of ungrateful post to wall. I can't turn my mind for him again. Him ungrateful. I don't have nothing to do with him. I don't sit through him already. All of them tick it down to him mads them, to him gifters them, to him viewers them. All of them over there is one bunch of hypocrite, ungrateful pussy wall. Some man just text me. Hold on. Get lost. I don't have the time.
Alright, my people. So, you see, when it comes to money and people owing you money, you only never have nobody own the money yet. Especially so much money where Ivany have for the youth there. Yo, when people have your money, it's like say you can't, you know what I mean? You go want your things. You understand what I say? So I just saw it go. I'm sure say even Ivany, if she did in that situation there, she would have behaved some type of way like, oh, this a youth have behaved some type of way. Cause at the end of the day, him not really, and I really like say him have it like, oh, Ivany have it, you know. You see me, I say when you have it, even when you have it some of the time, you still want your things. You know what I mean? So it go even more intense and worse when you don't have it. You see me, I say? So I can watch some more people.
Alright, baby, launching now. I'm have to take off now. And I think Are you going off now? You going off now?
Yeah, Lord.
Oh. Call me when you reach.
Alright, okay.
Bye. Okay, safe flight.
Alright.
Yeah. No man, you pass your place now. Something there, yeah, pass your place now. Yeah, pass your place now for true. And you really make me look like a thief. You really make me look like a thief now. Me tell you, say you can class and do what you want. Nice than the market, not really bother me. $3,000. Me I'll collect more than that out of my bank account today. And more than that me get. No, don't get none more problem. I want to get in a problem because with me, I shall sit and just look. Because the amount of people we are back him over them, none of them never want to help him. And if anything go wrong, them still not help him with the money. The only thing them help him with is send him money. But for help him likewise, like for collect money, take off money. I tell us about him and can't see him. Them can't see him. Them can't see him. Them can't see him at all. Blood clot sky. Every day they come talk about me just want thief $3,000. Yeah, you didn't know someone make more than $3,000? You know someone make more than $3,000? Me not show no millions and I make over OF. Every day I cash out. Every single day I cash out. Every day. One day my screenshot must say $7,000 post. One girl say, oh, she said she make millions. Girl lie like sure. I have to prove nothing to you, because I don't maybe not post. Every time I make a hit my post. Money could never run. I mean, dep on TikTok I play 1 and 2 match. You mad? You must be mad. Plus, my man introduced me to a little side hustle where I get way before him do TikTok. Life nice. Life nice. Life nice. Blood clot sky, what man? Sky. Sky. No sir. Sky. A long time I no see you still over favorited. You still over favorited. Me I come over there. One of them there, yeah. Because sometimes I can't find nobody for play it over them. I can't hold them need for update the app. A favorited I don't know. Good evening, Tiki is a mix up and I will block him. I will send me a message. Let me go look. Well on.
No sir, this can't ever pull. King gone home a while ago. My boo is gone. No, me say, you know, like more and black Tiki, but me just wait till Tiki money come out of my premises to black Tiki, because Tiki is an ungrateful little sneaking bitch. And Tiki not have no secret for me. And if Tiki feel like he want to come live, come cost me. Me I make too much money for sit down cost with Batty man. You know no secret for me that I want thing. Me never beg you nothing yet. I mean no owe you nothing. You never beg me nothing. Me never beg you nothing. You know no secret for me. I mean no owe you nothing. So that can go on, but all I can say is an ungrateful person. Nobody know if you do nothing for you. And you don't have no sympathy for people. You don't have no sympathy for people. I mean, I know who you fly come Atlanta to, because the money here. Shit. Hold on. It's a go first thing at the what the place name? Oh, what the hell? Hold on, this is a slide. It's a go first thing. At the what the place name? The post office. Whether you like it or not, you send me the address, a data sent to. You see your hungry belly moderator them, your hungry belly gifters them, your hungry belly people them. Where over there tell you things but them couldn't help you. Cry to them. No, imagine Guys, I said the man, the little boy, ungrateful and wicked. Right now, Tiki don't need to call on my phone neither. Because I have your address, I have your name. I just need to put it on this. And the tracking number, it'll go there on social media. So you can get it because it'll go post on live and it'll go there live. So the people them can send it to you. Because you look a bit and stay bad. After you're done, have the people them send me thief your money and the things them. Right? You just have force me for sending. I say I'm not sending a blood clot. I'm not obligated for sending the money through Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, or from bank transfer. That is not my business. I'm not obligated for sending you no money through none of them something they can did send you.
Alright, my people. We don't talk too long still, but you know what I mean, as I say, I have some little difficulties with my mic, so you know what I mean, I want to hear some noise earlier on. So I want to tell more one thing with people, because upon a level still a long time this youth here, you know what I mean, should I get back in money? Although we don't know if it did. We don't even know what to say really still, because you see through the reputation where Ivany kind of built for himself, make nobody not believe nothing where she come with. You see me I say? So if people did know say yo this is an honest person and them would have more understand and rush certain things. But through them know the reputation, that's why you have to really know what you're doing in life and what type of reputation you have built for yourself. You see what I say? Because that's all people are going to go after who do not know you, and it's not good still to judge a person by what you hear. You know what I mean? So make you watch some more.
Ready, I'm out my account, my account get locked down. I ain't not sure no look you're not sorry. You're not sorry so my account locked down, you know. Up till now you're not sorry, you know. I pretend like you're sorry. You don't give a fuck. The only thing you care about is your money. This. Only thing you care about are this. You don't care about your money. I will me explain to you today. Only thing you care about are this. You don't care. That's why I say Batman can't see him. That's why I'm gonna look for them. No, me if I tell you say guys, when you they have one way we're right on the pan this no. I don't me right pan ya so. How you do this? No, I don't me for right pan this. Me only for right pan. Me only for get the address to where the waiter go. Me only for write the address on the envelope to where it go. I not sign nothing. And everybody forget a signature. What me a sign for? A name and address alone. What me a sign for? You take me a idiot sign what? Put signature on what? Anything you say is mine to put signature on? Look at me a crackhead. I'm not write nothing. Make him Gillian them over. I'm live where I tell him things. Write it on it. Me probably gonna need one different envelope. Me need one different envelope. Me have envelope in them. Go put it in a one next envelope. This one not work. Then you take me, I put my address on that. Me, I put Ivany right, Atlanta, Georgia. Done. Me no give a fuck. Done. Mail gone out of my site. Done. And who no like it, moderator, take them off of my live. I'm gonna go for one next. Me no give a fuck. That not have nothing to do with me. Remember me a T. That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. Cause I come to a point now where that not have nothing for blood clot do with me. I never tell Tiki send him money in my blood clot account. When me did tell this man say take out your blood clot money out of my account and get it in a cash. You create history say you don't want the money in a cash. You go as far as make my blood clot account lock down. Me not have nothing to do with your money. This money I come out of my house at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Me I go up at the blood clot post office and it a come out. I'm going to video it and put the tracking number on social media. Uno and him track it. You make you look at dirty people them. Yeah, the people them over there telling me did have one envelope in a minute now. Envelope then. Did have one envelope somewhere. So yeah, the people them over there tell him. Yeah, the people them over there tell him say no. We can find the envelope now. You know what the people them I tell him say? I tell him say him for call me and tell me say him a go buy tickets come Atlanta for get the money because them a say me like them a try for say like them a try for say me I go thief the money and tell him say the meal last. So I'm for come to Atlanta. I don't care if you want to get a ticket come to Atlanta, because I me come to Atlanta come see. I know me come to Atlanta on the salt, you know. The salt. The last time I talked to him, I broke down on the street. The last time I want to catch up, I want to chat again, account locked down. Like the people them I tell him say give me that sec, I'm coming, I forgot to myself. Yeah, the people them I tell him say take your flight and go to Atlanta to collect the money because she's going to thief it and sell the money. No, did they? I don't talk to you. I don't talk to you. No think me a idiot. I think me no see pre. Remember me tell you say Tiki allow the people them for call me thief. I him tell big one for turn on him live and call me thief. You so hear them when them cuss again. When them cuss again, it'll go fall out. I him call big one and tell big one to for ask him. Anything you see me and big one at it and big one ask for the money, I Tiki tell big one for come ask me the money and that style cause him no one bother me and ask me fee. So him tell big one for come ask. Batman them can't see him. Batman them can't see him. You can't go Atlanta but you not meet me because when me get the money, me never get it from your hand to hand. You can't see him. Your money a ship off. Whether it want last track, I don't give a fuck. And everything me I do, live, so it have recording. When you can't say me thief it, the money come now, you say otherwise. When me tell you say the account lock, you say a thief. No, you say, no, the people them say the money I go ship off. You hear say all the money I go lost in a my meal. Now the money come, and I full up him head say it I go lost in a female. You could have Adan story till God kingdom come, my love. I want the blood, me have one envelope in there. I have a new envelope from Carmax. See one now. From, yes, this is one good envelope. From me for help, I don't try now. I can't tell you, say try in and pass, I want help again. Try in and pass, I want help again. Then the people them have sense still. Cause from day one the people them never did that help get the money off of PayPal. So the people them have sense and me alone never have no sense. So one envelope here. This envelope here can't work.
Hey, my people, I true you don't understand, you know. Yes, so I say, you don't understand what this youth here, the anxiety what this youth here got through, you know. I true you don't know. Remember, you know, Ivany have a reputation, you know, my people, and it's a wicked reputation she have, you know. Yes, so I say, so you don't even know what this youth here feel right now. Say, boy, yeah, the money a package up, but him still have anxiety and a worried in a brain. I say, boy, Ivany I go do something for sabotage the money. Is either him say, boy, it lasts or something, but Ivany say she a go put the tracking number and make them track it still. You see me? But you have to understand, when you not deal with somebody who have a mess up reputation, you have to try to do every T and that every I. You see me? I say that's why who would I want to fly go for your money we are going to reach to him faster than me don't know how long the post I go take for reach to him still. But who would I want just waste their money for fly go for some money where them could have saved the plane fare and make the money come to them? And because of the reputation, my people, is not say boy him want do all of this thing, you know, and chat all of this thing, you know, and wasting money on a flight, you know. It's just that the man want to be secure, him just want to be safe, him want to be on the right path for getting money, you know. That's all, you know. I know nothing else. I just because of the reputation we should have. That's why. You know what I mean? Make watch some more.
I want brand new envelope this. Post office will not deliver mail without postage. What you mean send it certify? What that mean? No. This can't use. Get an envelope from the post office. Sell it. Mama Zelia black. Hold on. See Zelia. Nice to meet you. Bye. Okay, when we go up at the post office tomorrow then. So I'm gonna put back this. These are the receipts for me to get from Publix. See if my card number and on the pan this. Block here. Send it certified so that he can put his signature when you receive it. What you mean he put signature when I receive it? May I receive what? Where may I receive? May I receive something? Me not write nobody name pan nothing. I him write him own a name pan it. Me not write nobody name pan nothing. That is not my duty. Me not write nobody name pan nothing. Anybody, him is a grown man and a pitney, him not underage. Me not write nobody name pan nothing. When he's an adult, I you write your own name. Him look like him sick. What do him make him can't write for him own a name? Me not write. A prisoner you want to send me if you go write people name pan things and sign things to people. Me look like me. Hey girl, I'm black here for my page, you know. Oh. You tell me about to write him name. And my responsibility that I him write him name when him get it. I'm forget write Smaddy name. That coming like signing a blood clot signature for Smaddy. You write it? Write what? Palmer Walla Black. Chat too much. Him they make
make your mouth smell. Me, I got the porcelain veneers. Come with me, got the porcelain veneers. And about put in them gold something there. Make you look some type of way and attract police to make you look ghetto. Me not like it. Do I take off the braces, put on veneers up?
Brenda, in my Yankee, he want grill. You think he want veneers? You think I grill he want? What the backside do you?
Put on the shine, so I tell you, I never tell the blood clot boy, so I go pay for doing the veneers. Like, but him can't show you a mess. Wait till I go and make you listen to the voice note them, because you have to make people them feel like say me and run you down. Or when my vex my pay for coming in my life. Never look for you and get $100 your backsy boy.
Yeah, Christy. Them do them dental work before them put in the veneers. Chat, before you do veneers, make sure you do no dental work. Make sure you say you don't have no periodontal disease, no gingivitis. You not doing nothing. Before you go do veneers, make sure you say you do proper dental work before. Because you see, when you have veneers on your mouth think, them mouth think body come like them BBL there. The mouth stink for truth. And no matter how they brush them mouth stink. So listen and do the proper dental work. Because your teeth white and your mouth stink, what can go so?
Yet, forgot. Never look for you and give bills yet. Check my money. Never look for you and give bills yet, fish. So how you gonna make the people them?
So Brenda, she a freeze. When they don't even have good internet and you want to buy man veneers. She a freeze chat. So she a freeze or me? Hold on. Chat, you not hear me?
Alright, my people, as I said, I not really chat too long, you know what I mean? Let me know what you think in the comment, I watch some more.
Oh, I see them. So why Brenda have so much cash? She work at a strip club? Why Brenda have so much cash, Strat? First, why Brenda have so much cash? You don't trust me back.
Tell us, does I give money at fish? When? Never. I talk about my ex like my ex you. Oh, that the boy the name evil coming in your mouth. You see a love problem? You see a little bit of love problem? Me a scratch your life and you talk about, you call out the nigga name and I talk about you live at Atlanta. You know, should I go outside, go stand up and wait for them to come for you? Oh, that the boy the name evil getting in your mouth. For sure, your love problem. No, the tattoo gonna erase. Why would I take it off? Me tell you me a man left. Dog shit.
You there?
Me tell you me and him left.
Brenda,
I'm coming to my mind. Which one?
Brenda, man.
Him asked me for just pick him up with a open true. Me hope him not take his flight for true. Cause me I just go pick him up for true and beat out him blood clot when him reach ya.
You there?
And me promise you.
You see Brenda you see Brenda the planet, guys? You know, sister Brenda the planet, right? You know, I hear chat, right? Oh, why she call her Brenda? Oh, Brenda, she used to use the big mouth filter, so the filter name Brenda. You know the big mouth filter? Chat, you know, realize that she planet here. You know, so she a planet, she a cut her nails, chat. Brenda planet. Brenda planet.
Pan the way you go, me a cut off them fingernails.
You hear that? You hear?
Me a cut off them fingernails, short. One box in them face and me a turn on the live and put it this so.
You hear that, chat? You hear she said she planet. Some of them know when over there count out, but oh my god, them a fight Brenda planet. Brenda plan figure up on the FYP. Here she tell you know.
I really hope this not done load. I really hope. Prank, me have time for prank nobody. Me have time for prank nobody. I come here to talk my business. Me ask you a question. I want to take it and circulate it. Me ask you a question if me wrong for ask, so me want to ask. Nothing wrong with you. The question make for ask. If someone would ask to no man if him did want to get used in a relationship for years, and then when the man then use.
It's alright, chat. Make we talk. Brenda give him head. Brenda do all of the things them with him. Make video with him, do porn with him, everything Brenda do the thing. And at that time Brenda asked him that the question, after you do all of that, then at that the time that you want to find out if he like you, if him into you, Brenda, you don't make no sense. You just want to start a problem, and you wanted a reason to start a problem because you know he was not into you. So you know, say, you won't have a reason if you can tell them, so that's why the problem start. Get tattoo, all of that. Brenda, bye. Carry man girl at Disney World and you're pitting her reach at Disney World. Here they. Brenda look like she one big kid. Carry my girl at Disney World. And you know, after your pitting never got Disney World yet. Here they. How were they behind?
I know 3-4 years after if the man fuck by you realize that the man fuck by you could have stopped. You could have get born for 1 year and not 3 if you did actually ask him if him a born for 2 year what him say. And if you get a truthful answer, you go about your ways. And if you don't get a truthful answer, then if you find out later, it will be understandable. But nothing wrong if me way all ask me ask my man anything more ask. If you want fuck, no you do want fuck. You catch a ball, say I have infection, me ask any question, because question make for ask. So always you for tell me say me can ask the boy if him into me. So if somebody show you so them into you, that means that them really into you. So people can't pretend these days. People can't pretend these days.
But Brenda, people can't lie too. So not because he might tell you same into you, so you still don't make no sense. Him can't pretend and him can't lie too.
Boy or one girl can't pretend like them into you and really not into you. Some of the friend not pretend like them into you and then not into you after they make you spend pan them, then cut gone left you. But in order to get the money spent pan them, they have to pretend like them into you. Some of the friend not pretend like them into and thief on the man go about to the business. And come on here and come thief on the clothes and them, but to all them get for thief. Them not have to act like them into you and like you and run it and flex with you for can do your fuckery. A man that can go like him with you for come chop you and take your money and gone. Or come get like a fame and gone. Or sister in your house you want thief and gone. So the rascal you go tell me say, me can't ask.
Sad bad. Trat, at the 10 to 15 days, 10 to 15 days from June 26th. So you go count and tell me how much days we reach now. Go and go count and come back, chat. Somebody count and come back. Then this morning, say chatting into this morning, Ice a tea and she said Ice gonna daycare. You don't think say daycare will call you if you care back to come back for your kid? You think say daycare will stand there with one teething baby all day cry? How much days? Tell me how much days it's beauty. How much days exactly we reach?
I never hear this yet.
9.
What you mean I can't question?
No, I 26.
You must be joking.
13 reach already?
Take a bath.
So 2 days now, 2 days Tiki have left.
Income there is so big and I'm not even on for the
a business day, if you count chat, business day. Not holiday and weekend, business day.
Nice. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of it.
Alright, my people, you see, that's why in life I always learn this. 2 things you don't buy in life: friendship and love. Always remember that. Is make you watch some more.
Vany, Ice a big pitney or a gel now go work. Think Ice a baby? Ice a big old pitney.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, she get the money but she not ship it till tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Chat, she said she get the money, but she not ship it till tomorrow.
Wait.
How that big one? The baby needs some diluted clove oil. Ora gel don't have no use to it, pitney. The baby needs some diluted clove oil pan him gum. Oh, send me skin recording, let me see. Exactly. The baby a teen and she over there fight with man. Oh. There. Yo, me not think if I get back in money chat. Me no business where no want to say. If Tiki get back that them money there. Boy. Me I love to see that chat. Where Brenda gone? Backside Brenda gone chat.
Watch your pussy. Blood clot. Me not even my look cut when me get never really blood clot. But because it not hurt because I not look on it. Triple not even pain tablet me not take. And when the woman has stitch your thumb. I want to stop here. I get 4 stitches night. She cut you and I get 4 stitches night. She kind of shook it and I say, ow. She stitch it. One time when I'm on a pay blood clot war, ban for ban, war for war. Devil, instead they get the blood clot, devil I ride me. Because them not understand me. You have to understand me if you live with me. If me like you, me not throwing the bus. Me would talk yes, but me not throwing the bus. Me not throwing the bus so easy. If me love you. You understand? But him know. Him deal me some type of way. Beat out my blood clot with a one cheer. Some of them like them, dolly them a blood clotting. I just say lick me to another side. Me never did recover so quick. I know you put one time strat.
The moral Raven is like dolly don't tell that is the moral, I guess.
I like shot tell that boy. Never even 2 years about my slide.
What money gun chat?
One money, ever know when I beat out my blood clot. So me a probably show. Never so long I make man beat me. So my head take me, you know. Him know when demons are around, this man them, oh you're mad, no look on him, you know. Over all of us so much, you know, discover my madness. Me not. Triple, what thing wrong with me? Can't listen to the voices that talk to me, no? Triple me have voices that talk to me. Sometimes my voices will say, calm down yourself, about that. And sometimes my voices will say, anything, what you do? Because come out, devil, come out. Nothing is wrong with me. Voices talk to me such a when the man beat me, the voice I say, Warren and station. And the next bitch I say, hey, blood clot thinking, girl, go around there, you know. Kill chicks. Kill him.
Me have voices too. Sometimes when a man sleep like voices, I tell me for 2 piece in your eye. Me always tell my people them that. Sometimes I have voices, so you tell me for do that. I don't know why. But me I say, you know, we don't want to go reflex in your sleep and then go.
Voices.
But voices tell me that already. 13 person chat. 13 person guys.
Because although I'm a big chap, I can't fight, but I can't manage him because I'm a little bit frisky. So I can't Jackson stab him, you know. So it's a time, me and him run a lane, I tumble along. And I thump off of me, it's the time when I can't, I tab him. The first time I hear the tab reach. Could I reach, I said, but they reach, yes, for.
One more word chat.
Because what? You talk me up. Just to get to it.
Triple chat.
Triple me team. Cause right now voices I tell me if you punch at the 4 wheel them. Yeah, sometimes it stays so for real. Triple chat.
Guys, it's talk to me chat.
Right, them well. Triple me team.
I'm free, bro. Be a fuck free.
When I'm come chat because we can't take a little time and go up there.
Use the triple chat.
When I'm more
This one, thank you. Use the triple, guys. When I don't put the gloves, we can't get a galaxy a wheel. Yes, I chewing up pretty as some tanto. Sincerely, thank you, Dana. Dana, thank you. Yes, Ibu, thank you.
The lodge is near.
Why, chat, we can't go up to the meter.
I when the blood clot vice take me over chat. Yeah, I'm lick me butt.
I want this.
So one time just some blood clot, yeah, I chat. As long as they break, me can go to the door. Thumping a chat. Sometimes I live with someone I experience on things, you know. Thumping a really hard, you know. One time Jake stopped me and I can't go to the door. If someone go out there, to me,
You know what I was shouting do it in the chat. Why she have some blood clot expression? That's how we are talking.
What kill more and kill them because what? Last night my dream say the girl when me accused present. When I'm a dream and me asleep, me just read my dream. Him take up my blood clot money and I get the blood clot. See that when take up my money I count it, that's a gear. I just carry product. I say, hey bitch, give me this. Or I kill your feet. I'm pretty blood clot because I'm fight. My head take me and I sleep. I say, bitch. I say, why God I don't know no clot in my blood clot or me ignorant. This man will make up, you know what I'm saying? I say nothing. No one beat her for me and I from when me asleep. I'm your blood.
Thank you.
Chat me and talk about Teja blood clot. Fool. You know, I like talk to some of the word them come here, so like myself. Some of we are work. Chat. You know, I get the concept. When I listen to the story, listen to what me I say.
Dada, thank you, shit.
When you are thanks chat, when you are sleeping at night, even if when you are sleeping at day, like when son of what do you call it? Deja vu. But I pass about 6 o'clock this man I go to 7. And I early morning son I told you, my dream say give Jake on this blood clot said girl. Sarah,
Hey people, you see that money there and the woman, me I tell you say they rest for Rosealee mine, you know. If Jake's better mind one of them day Rosealee out of nowhere just take out something and give him one lick and knock it. Yo, channel people, we go on some more.
on the blood clot shoulder, yeah? And to me come out in my dream, the spirit. Him take the ones of the said blood clot, me go drop. It's like I'm born the dresser. Take my money out of the blood clot, me go drop and get the girl. Him count it first, and when him girl, she smile. I'm give my girl. It's when I girl upon her, she frightened you, fuck. It's like blood clot, hey girl. You know how? Let me not see what I'm going to pull on there. Pull on there.
They hung up in my room, chat.
Well, I'm going to put on my lip gloss. One of the man them go to pass. I want to call to me, wait. Chat, we not focus, wait. We not talk no more. Someone
the lip gloss here, girl. You know better than one man. Two. Put on your lip gloss here, friend.
Someone go and buy yourself. Me not talk nothing more. Me cancel with 2.6 gig and I get a blood clot. I look 100K on the board. That not. Someone go on. I'm end the life. I make people go on about our business and make about mine. Oh, not blood clot. And this is a joke me I make.
4 person, 1 rose shot.
2.6K girl. I got them say one day I say that the chat list to the story. But they can reach out $110, $105, $150 I say,
when a story time no nothing I got you over here.
I lie, them a tell me stop talk. I don't want you to finish at the blood class store put gift.
Guys, use the triple chat. Triple me team. We're gonna sign no chat.
That game I determine if them want you the story or not.
Guys, use the triple chat.
Me nah ball out. Even the past 10K, me nah bother talk.
Can me thank your chat.
Sometimes the score past 10K, me talk it.
Show up me team. Guys, use the triple no chat. We not no money gun, we not no galaxy, we not no wheel. Shoot chat. Alright, Miss G. Thank you. Shoot me team. Shoot her down. Shoot chat. We not no money gun. We not no money gun, guys. In chat. Lord Jesus. Sport ups with team.
Anytime the score go back 10K, me talk the story, me not talk it. Too much girl there, so me not get nothing.
Go for my room chat for me now left out.
Pumpkin want me thanks.
Go for my room chat. How long you put for me? I come in.